Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare BMW X4 versus X6. We'll explore how these two luxury sports activity coupes stack up against each other. The X4, a compact option, offers a different driving experience than the larger, more premium X6. We'll look at their core differences, from their starting prices to their overall market positioning, to help you understand which might be the better fit for your needs. When it comes to raw power, both the X4 and X6 offer impressive performance, especially in their M competition variants. The X4 M competition can hit 60 miles per hour in a blistering 3.7 seconds, thanks to its 503 horsepower engine. Not to be outdone, the X6 M competition matches that 0 to 60 time with a robust 617 horsepower. Even base models show a significant difference, with the X6 typically offering more power. Beyond performance, size and practicality are key differentiators. The X4, being the more compact option, provides 18.5 cubic feet of cargo space, which expands to 50.5 cubic feet with the rear seats folded. The larger X6 offers more, with 27.4 cubic feet, growing to 59.6 cubic feet. The X6's greater dimensions translate to a more spacious cabin, appealing to those needing extra room for passengers or gear. So, which BMW is better? It truly depends on your priorities. If budget and a more compact footprint are important, the X4 is likely your choice, offering a fantastic blend of style and performance at a lower price point. However, if you prioritize maximum power, a more commanding road presence, and greater cargo capacity, the X6 stands out. Both are excellent luxury SUVs, each excelling in different areas. Don't forget to check the description for a link to some great leak-proof meal prep containers and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.